remote control lawnmower, inspired by Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Over here we have a smoker I've fully insulated for powder coating. And over here we have my makeshift paint booth. And right down here we have custom casters I made for the remote control lawnmower. So tonight the object is to sandblast these and powder coat them gloss black. It's the first time powder coating, so let's see how it goes. Let's do it. Now we've got to get these wired up. Now we fire up the oven and parts. Now it's time to put the powder into the gun. I'm going to be going with a jet black. You want to fill the plastic cup about 2 inches full of powder. Screw it right on the bottom of the gun. strong at 400. It's time to get these parts out of the oven. Alrighty, you want to check this out. First attempt at powder coating, and I am very pleased with the results. It came out perfect. Try to spin this. Got some light gloss black powder from LiQWYD. It's very hot still. Hey everyone, if you like this video today, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next video. Thanks for watching.